Welcome back. Most people know that eating well and exercising and getting healthy screenings are all part of staying healthy. But did you know that your mouth can be a mirror of your overall health? Joining us right now, we have Dr. Thynos Junis from the U of L School of Dentistry here to explain a little bit more about it. In fact, really, you can tell a lot about a person by their dental hygiene and their dental health, really.
Absolutely. It's true that really our mouths are the mirror of our systemic health. In fact, it has been shown that within a regular dental exam, we can find early signs and symptoms of serious underlying systemic conditions, and that allows us to treat them early and refer to our medical physicians also for further evaluation. Another important aspect is that periodontal disease, which is basically a gum disease that mainly affects the bone and the gum tissue around our teeth, has been associated with other chronic inflammatory conditions such as diabetes or cardiovascular disease. They seem to share common pathways that lead to inflammatory destruction of certain tissues in our body. So as we move on to an age of individualized care, the dentist becomes a big part of that approach.
So what's really amazing here to me is that if somebody goes in and they're getting their regular dental checkups, you might actually be able to see something ahead of time that could warn you about some of these cardiovascular diseases.
Well, maybe not so much with cardiovascular disease, but a good example would be oral cancer. The dental practitioner is probably the most appropriate person to diagnose oral cancer. We have oral cancer screening as one of the main things in our initial clinical exam, and that might be something that can save our patients' lives.
And I know for a lot of people, there is a big fear of going to the dentist. How do you help somebody get past that, especially if there's somebody who hasn't been in a long time?
Absolutely. It is true, and that's why, as part of our training, and that's what we teach our dental students in the UofL School of Dentistry, how to manage patients' anxiety and stress. What I found as useful with the patient care is really for the patient to have being able to develop a long-term relationship with a dental practitioner, a relationship that is based on trust and care, and that really takes a lot of that stress and anxiety away. Also, it's very important that you should really see your dentist as being part of your team that cares about your health care and your well-being.
Well, thank you so much for being here.
My pleasure.
A great topic to keep in mind, and to make an appointment with the U of L School of Dentistry, you can call that number on your screen, 852-5096. We have all that information